In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for ad copy. If you need ad ideas fast, ChatGPT can turn a clear prompt into ready-to-use lines and scripts in seconds. Here's how to do it the simple, effective way. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and start a new conversation. You'll see a message box at the bottom. That's where you'll type your instructions. Keep in mind that ChatGPT responds best when you're specific about what you want. Type your request plainly. For example, I'll type, write YouTube ad copy for a brand that sells high-quality products. Then press enter and let ChatGPT generate the content. It will produce headlines, hooks, and body copy you can adapt to your campaign. To get even better results, add a bit of direction inside the same prompt. You can mention who the audience is, the tone you prefer, the product category, and the length. For YouTube, it also helps to note whether the ad is skippable and how long it should be, like 15 or 30 seconds, so the script fits the format. You can also ask for multiple variations in one go and include a clear call to action, such as inviting viewers to visit your site or claim an offer. You can even ask for a short video description and several title options to support the ad on YouTube. When the response appears, read through it and pull out the lines that match your brand voice. If something isn't quite right, just reply in the same chat with precise guidance, such as make it more confident or emphasize durability over price. You don't need to start over. ChatGPT will refine what it already wrote. You can request alternatives for the first 5 seconds, stronger hooks, or shorter versions for bumper placements, all by adjusting your prompt. If your brand has a particular tone, include a short description of that voice directly in the message. Likewise, paste a brief product summary or a list of benefits so the copy highlights what truly matters, like craftsmanship, reliability, or premium materials. The more relevant context you add, the more on-brand the output becomes. Finally, save the variations you like and keep them as options. The process is as simple as this. Open ChatGPT, enter a clear prompt, let it generate your ad copy, and iterate until it feels ready to publish. With a few targeted instructions, you'll have polished YouTube ad copy tailored to a brand that sells high-quality products. That's all you need to get started.